Let's be real. You hit the gym, you eat pretty clean, but the muscle gain is kind of slow or worse, non-existent. It's not your fault. Most people are missing the key recovery and growth tools. So in today's video, I'm gonna break down my top 3 supplements for muscle growth that actually work. There's no gimmicks, there's no BS. These are the staples I recommend to my clients and also ones I personally use for faster recovery, better performance, and also, those real results. So let's just go ahead and dive in. So I want to talk about the first on the list is creatine monohydrate. You've heard of it, it's probably taken it before. It's here what most people don't realize. Creatine is the most researched supplement in the fitness world. Over 1,000 clinical studies, and the results they're rock solid. It helps your body to produce ATP, the energy currency your muscles use during short, intense bursts of activity like lifting, sprinting, or even HIIT. More ATP means more reps, more power, and over time, more muscle. But it's not just about strength. Creatine also helps pull the water from your muscle cells and increases cell volume, which is going to stimulate muscle growth and enhance recovery. It's kind of like a no-brainer. Start with 3 to 5 grams a day and no need to load or to cycle. Take it anytime. Consistency is really what matters when it comes to this supplement. You'll feel the difference in your strength within a couple of weeks. My next favorite is Whey Protein Isolate. Listen, it's not hitting your protein target. Your muscles literally don't have the raw materials that they need to grow. So Whey Isolate is kind of like the gold standard for fat absorption, low in carbs and fat, and it's really perfect for any kind of post-workout supplement. And basically what's the difference between regular whey and isolate is the whey isolate goes through extra filtration to remove excess lactose, fat, carbs. It's easier on digestion, especially for those who are sensitive to dairy, and it gets in your bloodstream a lot faster. And after a tough workout, your body's in what's called a catabolic state, meaning it's in like a tissue breakdown. And the whey is going to help flip the switch to anabolism, to repair and rebuild mode. So I recommend 20 to 30 grams of isolate within 30-60 minutes post-workout, or when you need like a quick protein hit during the day. Look for a brand with no artificial flavors, no fillers, or at least 90% protein per scoop. And here's a little bonus tip. You want to mix it with water and actually a bit of cinnamon for better insulin sensitivity and recovery. And my number 3 is algal oil, and it's a plant-based source of omega-3s. Because forget fish oil. This is 2025. We want gains without the mercury, microplasts, and that fishy burp. Algal oil gives you some powerful omega-3s, EPA and DHA, and it's derived from algae, not fish. So it's really going to help to reduce inflammation, helps joints stay healthy, and actually improves your body's protein synthesis response post-exercise, which means better recovery and also building muscles. It's also great for your brain and your heart, 2 things. We want to function regularly, especially if you're training hard. So the daily dose is about 250 to 500 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA. So take it with a meal for better absorption. So this is one's underrated, but if you're under training consistently and want to feel less sore, more mobile, and mentally clear, this is a game changer. Okay, so here's a breakdown one more time. Creatine monohydrate for strength, power and cellular hydration. Whey isolate for high protein and faster recovery. Alga oil for inflammation control, joint support, and anabolic recovery. Highly recommend. These supplements are all proven, no fluff. If you've been spinning your wheels with with your workouts, try to give this a try. And if you're ready to use them, comment below what your favorite brand or supplement stack is. Okay? And also I want to make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications, please. I got new videos coming every week with mobility tips, supplement guides, everything you need to train smarter and recover faster. And I want to say thanks for watching. Now go build something. This is everyone's favorite health coach, Mike Jones, signing out. Have a pain-free day. Until next time.